What's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like Tana in this new song he just dropped called Latto. Now before we get into this video, I do want to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Plugin Boutique. We'll talk more about them later in the video. But yeah, if you haven't heard this song by Tana, he just dropped 2 songs, OMG2 and Latto. Both of these songs are fire, and I'm so excited to see that Tana's finally back. I don't know what was going on with him and his label, but it looked like he just got out of his label. So it looks like we're about to get a lot more music from him, and I think he just announced an album as well. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard this song yet, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little snippet. So this is Latto by Tana. So now that you guys have heard the original song, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys my raw vocals.
Do it, push start, push start, push start. This way, push start, push start. Do it, push start. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough of that. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on all of these presets, and I'm gonna show you guys what this sounds like. So this is my Tana preset. So yeah, that's what my new Tana presets sound like. These presets will all be completely free. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this video I did use my Best Waves master preset, which you can get on my website BNVLNT.shop for $10. Or if you want to go ahead and get this entire FLP, it comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template with all these presets set up and ready to record into, and my Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins. All of that will be on my website for just $15. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave that linked in the description. But if you're just here for the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do to get these free vocal presets is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then you'll see all of these Tana presets right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in this channel. So go get some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, thanks to Plugin Boutique, we have some new plugins that we use for these presets. All of these plugins are completely free. You will not have to pay for any of these plugins. As always, the only paid plugins used in these presets are Auto-Tune, which you could always replace with FL Pitcher if you want a completely free alternative. I just don't like how Pitcher sounds, so I use Auto-Tune Pro by Antares. But everything else in this is completely free. So in today's video, it looks like most of our plugins are coming in these ad-libs. So for this ad-lib that you guys heard earlier that sounds like this, I used the Kilohertz filter, Blue Cat's phaser, Kilohertz Haas, as well as ambience. And all of these plugins are completely free on Plugin Boutique's website. If you go to the link in the description, it'll take you to this page right here. All you have to do is make an account on Plugin Boutique's website and click download. Now, these plugins are a little confusing. To get them, you do have to copy the serial code right here and then paste it on the website. But once you do that, you can download all the plugins you want, and you can download more than I used. But if you just want the ones I got for this preset, I used Kilohertz, Blue Cat, and ambience. And it looks like that's all that I used for these presets. But if you want to get all of them, they've been really fun to play around with. So if you want to try out some new sounds, go download some new plugins from Plugin Boutique. Also for ambience, you do have to go to your program files and then Steinberg and then VST plugins, and you have to drag the ambience.dll file into this folder. Once you do that, it'll load up fine. The rest of them should be normal .exe files that you could just download and install. So with all of that being said, if you guys have any plugins you've been looking at and you want to buy them, our sponsor Plugin Boutique has got you covered. They have sales on almost every plugin you can imagine. So go check out their website and see if the plugin you want's on sale. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the auto-tune settings real quick, just in case you guys have different auto-tunes than me. So the key of the song was E minor. I used a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 23 on the main. And then for the main ad-lib, I used a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 13. And for the clear ad-lib, I used a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 23. Now, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is how to set up these presets when you drag them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set everything back to normal. This is how it comes when you drag these presets in. So once you have the main, reverb, delay, and the ad-lib set up in here, all you have to do is click on the main and then click on the reverb down here, click on the delay down here, and then if you hold shift and click on the Tana ad-lib, it will sidechain it without actually routing the signal. Or if you don't want to click shift, you could just click on it and then turn it down to 0. But it's important that this is set to 0. You do not want your main to double through the ad-lib. Basically what this one is here for is just for this sidechain compressor, which what you need to do next is you need to open up the noise gate. You need to turn this sidechain up to 1. Basically what it's doing is it's ducking the ad-lib when the main comes in. So if you watch this right here, when it plays this main, this ad-lib is gonna duck. So you can see these little purple things right here, that's where it's ducking. Now if I turn this threshold down really low, you'll hear the ad-lib completely cut out. Which you could do that if you want a heavier ducking effect, if you want the ad-lib to be completely like gone when the main's playing, but I like it just to be a subtle effect. So I'm gonna leave it back where I had it. But yeah, you wanna make sure that the sidechain is set to 1, as well as the delay and the reverb. Both of these sidechain compressors need to be set to 1 because that tells the sidechain compressor to look at the sidechain coming from the main. And essentially these do the same thing. They just duck the reverb and delay when that main vocal is present. That way it makes your vocals cut through the mix a little bit better. Yeah, hopefully this video helped you out in some way. If it did, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.